Guys, we're excited to help Dream Giveaway help some really cool charities, and they actually have a fantastic sweepstakes going on right now where you have the opportunity to win 2 Corvettes plus $48,500 to pay for the taxes. The 2 cars are a 2023 70th anniversary convertible that has the Z51 option. It's got the magnetic ride option, and it's just really, really beautiful. It is the 70th anniversary edition, but that's not all. You also get a 1965 Corvette convertible, fully restored to Ncrs standards, small block 327, and those 2 cars together, they're kind of a matched set, and what a wonderful Christmas gift that would be. If you visit the link below, pinned in the comments, you can enter this. The drawing is December 31st of 2023. And as you see on the screen, if you go to the link, this is what you'll see. It's the Dream Giveaway for the 2 Corvettes. And you'll see that our promo code here is already applied. And what that promo code gives you is double the tickets, because we're leading to the end of this particular sweepstakes. And if you click on 20 tickets, you automatically get 20 extra tickets, and you can go directly to checkout, and then obviously it's a $25 donation for 50 tickets because of the bonus. Put in your name and all your information, go down here, click continue, it'll ask you for your credit card number, and then you are entered, and you will get your entries through email. I'll tell you what, guys, I sure wish I could enter and win these 2 cars, and if one of my viewers does this and does win these, I'd love to hear about it. But that's what we're at. Good luck. Hello everybody, welcome back to Ncrs Corvettes in sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle, here with an update on a big event that we have coming up in January. Now recently I did a video talking to you about the Ncrs, National Corvette Restorer Society Winter Meet that was going to be taking place in Melbourne, Florida, January 17th through the 20th. I have been given some updates by the Ncrs. They've changed a couple of things and actually expanded it and made it more accessible. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of go through those in the meantime. Let me run through this for you. They are getting the word out that the national Ncrs folks have allowed the event registrations to be extended 10 days past the original December 20th deadline till the end of the month. This includes both Corvette judging registrations and vendor registrations. They're making this consideration due to all the craziness of the holidays at this time of year. They can still accommodate many more factory original Corvettes for Ncrs flight judging. Also, there are many more sportsman and concourse spaces available. These categories include all modified Corvettes, from minor appearance customizations, performance hot rods, pro street vets, and all the way to the super popular exotic resto mods. If you have any of these, this new venue is the most amazing place to get it judged and experience the special Corvettes, facility, museum, and Corvette food and vendors. We currently have, all right, here's what they're telling me. They currently have over 50 Corvette vendors, including us, attending with reservations for over 200 premium spaces. They also still have over 50 premium vendor spaces, so if you're a car parts person or involved in the Corvette community in any way and you want to show up to this event to show your wares, they still have space for you. The word is out, they're coming up on their 45th year of this show, and if you'll look at this image right here that Alan has posted, this is an aerial shot of the museum, and if you look at the bottom left corner, you'll see a big red circle that I artfully drew on this picture. This is where our spaces are going to be for Ncrs Corvettes, so if you're coming to the show to visit with us, we'd very much love to see you, and this will show you kind of in an easy way where to find us. Also, they do have the Corvette Corral back this year with free parking for those driving Corvettes to attend the show. Once again, the show itself is free of charge. If you wish to tour the inside of the museum itself, there is a $25 per person donation required to a charity. The museum accepts no money for itself. It is not open to the public. It is only open for charitable events like this one. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to check out ncrs.org. If you have questions about what we're going to be doing there specifically, put it in the comments below or email me. So that's the updates, guys. I hope you guys all have a wonderful Christmas, Hanukkah, New Year, great holiday season, and we'll see you when we get back from our break. Thank you.